In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable sensitive content on Telegram, step by step, using Telegram Web. This is a quick and simple setting change, and it's useful if you want to control how Telegram filters content on your account. Whether you're trying to adjust your privacy preferences or just make sure the setting is configured the way you want, I'll walk you through the full process clearly and carefully. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign into your Telegram account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before changing any settings, especially if you use Telegram on more than one device. Once you're inside Telegram Web, look toward the top left corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or the tie menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to Telegram's main settings area where you can manage your account preferences, appearance, notifications, and privacy options. Now that you're in Settings, click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram stores important controls related to your account safety, visibility, and content filtering. Next, scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. Depending on your browser size and the layout of Telegram Web, you may need to scroll a little to see it. Once you find it, look for the option labeled Disable Filtering. If this option is turned on, Telegram may filter sensitive content. To disable that filtering and allow sensitive content to show, turn off Disable Filtering. After you switch that setting, the change may not apply instantly in the current tab. To make sure Telegram registers the update properly, refresh Telegram Web. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in your browser or using the keyboard shortcut on your device. Once the page reloads, the new setting should take effect, and that's it. You've now gone through the steps to disable sensitive content filtering on Telegram Web. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, but it can be confusing if you've never opened these privacy settings before. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.